Welcome everybody to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly, no risk and no premium. Guys, what is up and what is happening? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful homework play today. Two plays were absolutely gorgeous. We'll just review them real quick because boy, they were a beauty. Said on the homework last night, right? We said I would look to take a reject where at 403, depending on where we open. We went and hit that double top. Everybody in the channel knew we took puts all the way down. What else did we say? We said, listen, you see this double top here? Does this resistance from these 2 days turn into support? Wow, look what happened. We have 398. Remember, I said 397.98. If that holds and we get back through 400, we're gonna rip. And we did. Okay, we squeezed and we ripped, and we ultimately what we did was broke out of a massive down channel. 1 second. Broke out of a massive downward channel and a massive consolidation here. Very, very, very simple to see. We consolidated for, I don't know, a month and a half or a month. Yeah, month and a half or so, almost 2 months. I mean, really since June, right? We're at the end of August now. So I'm sorry, we're at the end of July now. So what happens tomorrow? Well, that's a good question. What happens tomorrow? Where do we get to? Well, I could tell you this. You guys remember our good old friend over here? We spent a ton of time in this range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days chopping back and forth. We went 407 to 416, 407 to 416, back and back and back and forth. Well, I could tell you this. I'm looking at that to be a major resistance. Okay. And on top of having major resistance there because of this range we're in, I'm also going to look at where I'm going to zoom out for a sec. What do we have here? This is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Let's just zoom in right here. This 20 MA is this green dotted line. You see it's where it highlights. It's at 410.20. 410.20. Okay, that was the weekly. Now we go to the monthly. Zoom in on the monthly. Oh, excuse me. Zoom in on the monthly. What else do we have here? The 5 MA on the monthly, 411. Okay, 411. Another thing to note on this monthly chart as well, okay, is this. There's a little pattern going on here, right? If you notice when we have a down candle, the bodies don't close through. Down candle, bodies didn't close through. We started creeping up. So to me, it seems like we might get to this, the bottom of this candle here where the bodies are, which is about 409, 410, 411. So to me, I'm thinking we're at major resistance now. So here's my plan for tomorrow. Really simple stuff. This is what I want to see. I want to see if you go to the 20 MAs like 410, okay? The bottom of this channel here is about 410-ish area, really. Okay, I want to see 410 hit and reject. Okay, and at that point, I would just do a very simple Fibonacci retracement just from when we hit this little support and ripped up for the last 3 days. I'll just do a very simple retracement, and I'm looking for a 50% retracement. Puts us where? 398. Okay, so if we reject there, I would likely hold on to puts down to 400 and then scale out for runners to 50 or 61.8, being 398, 396, which have all been pretty decent levels in there. I would expect a pullback right to one of those levels, okay, because we just completely went nuts, Ripper Magoo status. So all right, guys, that's all I really got. As long as one of those levels hold, might be able to take a call off it. But for the morning action, I would think we probably bump our heads 410 area, and I look to get short there for some puts. But I want confirmation to make sure that we do not want to just continue a whole other leg higher. But we have a ton of resistance above, everybody. So to me, this is a very high probability setup. I like the short action here. Just really depends where we open. As long as we open underneath 410, I really like for us to go bang our head there and see if we can get short on the puts there. Okay, guys, other than that, hope you all had a great trading day. I'll see you bright and early in the pre-market. Peace.